Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you some delicious seafood okra stew. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Now I've got here some spinach, and as you can see, I have cut them into pieces. And I've got some eggplant over here, and it's also been chopped into pieces. I have sliced my fresh okras as well. Also got here some chopped onions. Next, I've got some fresh shrimps, and I've got some smoked mackerel. First, I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some red oil. When the oil is hot, I'll drop in my chopped onions, and I'll drop in some chili pepper. I'll let this fry for about 3 minutes. Next, I'll come in with some blended mashed tomatoes. This is about 250 grams. I'll drop in my favorite seasoning, some salt to taste. I'll give this a good mix and leave it alone to cook on medium fire for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll drop in my spinach. Next, I'll come in with my diced eggplant. I'll leave this to simmer on low fire for about 20 minutes. It's time for the sliced okra. And I'll drop in my smoked mackerel. Finally, I'll come in with the shrimps. I'll give it a good mix. I'll come in with about half a cup of water to help it cook very well. I'll give it a little mix, cover it up, and let this cook on low fire for about 20 minutes. It's been after about 20 minutes, and as you can see, it's coming out very well. Now I'll leave it open and let it cook for about 15 more minutes. And it's been after 15 minutes, and our okra stew is ready. This is so delicious. It tastes and smells great. This is one of my favorite ways to prepare my okra stew. So I hope you did like it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a try and let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.